I'm so sick of these useless websites.
Yeah, son, what's going on?
Oh my gosh. Trying to find the right oil for our cars. Been looking on the interweb, reading about it.
Marcus, can you help my son pick the right oil?
Hey, Mojave, you realize I'm just a really cool bobblehead, right?
I've been reading what the companies say and all they provide are useless charts.
Well, how do we decide?
I got it. Taste test!
Shall we begin?
Okay, seriously, do not drink motor oil. It is not good for you. I am sure it is toxic. This is just a fun video. Hey YouTube, so we're here for the oil taste test, and we've got our paper, we've got our oils in handy little shot glasses for us to taste, because there really is no other way to make a sound oil choice other than to drink it. So we have 3 oils. Kent's got the first one that we're going to do. So we will drink it, give it a number 1 through 10, 10 being best.
Okay.
And then we will show our number after we drink each one. So let's get started with the first oil, the Pennzoil.
Ooh.
Oh, Pennzoil Platinum. All synthetics, that way they really, really jack up our insides. All right, grab it. We are going to...
Oh,
that's a good blend. All right, so here we go. 2 down for luck, and then drink it.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2.
Oh. All right.
All right. Now we are going to give it a score. 1 to 10, 10 being best. Don't cheat, Kent.
Look at my score.
Stop looking. All right. All right, do you have yours?
Yeah.
Same time. And then say it too. Ready? 8.
3.
You gave it a 3? Why'd you give it a 3?
Because it tasted like how a homeless man tasted like how a homeless man smells.
Okay, so we have a 3 and an 8 on the Pennzoil.
You're too generous.
Alright.
Alright, hey.
Oh. Have to clean our palates. Here we go. Just, Okay. Perfect. Next oil. Mobil 1. Very popular race oil. Some of my favorite drivers use Mobil 1. Alright. Ready?
Ready.
2 for luck.
That's so terrible.
I'm not sure what Kent thought would taste good about motor oil, but
Oh my
anyway,
god.
don't spoil what rating you're gonna give it. All right,
Not a 3.
all right. Remember, all right.
So what's the
Give your
lowest?
A 1. All right. All right, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Oh, you ready?
All right, ready? At the same time.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 9.
9. 9. It's a 1.
Solid 9. All right. Last oil. I think this one, it's It's a little darker. I think this one should be delicious. And as always, this is extremely healthful. Oh yeah. Forgot to clean the palate here. I think Kent's just doing this so we can spit things. Alright.
The palate has been
That's cleansed. Clinched. Something's been clinched. Alright. Right? Okay.
Which one's this?
This is the Castrol Edge. Oh, this will give us an edge in things.
Oh.
Edgy.
It's like an energy drink, but a shot glass.
For a car. Alright. Here we go. There's the last one. This may do it in terms of deciding which one we go with. Alright. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Don't let me see. Oh. Alright. I am ready. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
10.
10. I really like that one. Should we drink some more of it?
That's a 10.
Okay. All right. So to recap, we started with an 8.
That was a 3.
For your Pennzoil. It was an 8. He forgot the rest of.
No, so we got to combine the total, and then
All right.
we know which one's the best.
All right. So that's an 11.
Yeah. So that's an 11.
So I got 11 points. Mobile 1, which I think Kent really enjoyed.
I would have gave that a 0, but that wasn't the scale.
Okay. So he gave it a 1.
You gave it a 9.
I gave it a 9. Still finishes dead last. So that gets a 10. So 11, 10, and then Kent's favorite by far.
Oh,
The
10.
Castrol Edge. So Kent gave that a 10. I gave it a 5 for a 15. So that wins the taste test challenge. Now we know what oil we can use in our cars. Thanks for watching. YouTube, hey, thanks for watching. Another one of our kind of funny videos. Hopefully you enjoyed it. As you can see, we certainly enjoyed it. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks so much for liking. Thanks so much for the comments. We are now at 116 subscribers. If you've watched from the beginning where I'm like, oh, there's only 9, nobody's watching. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Keep modding.